M2M Advanced Belt Repair. Everybody knows that conveyor belts is the most expensive consumable in span belt lines. And also everybody knows that spin belt quality directly impacts on the product quality. Despite all the care and precautions, there are always polymer trips attached to the belts. And machine incidents that irreversibly occur and damage the belts. Faster line speeds just further complicates the problem. And inline and offline side repairs does not entirely fix the problem. Inside belt repairs only further affects the belt quality information properties, severely impacting its permeability, fabric formation, release properties, edge hold down, static dissipation, fiber penetration, belt tracking, belt coating, web adhesion. All these operating factors represent significant cost, replacing conveyor belts with new ones over and over. Introducing M2M Advanced Belt Repair. This is an advanced belt service program designed to recycle, repair, resize, and reseam all your used conveyor belts. Here are some examples. Surface belt repair, detail correction under tension. Severely damaged belts are cleaned and repaired under precise tension control. Damaged edge and the poor startup on the line needs to be repaired, so the belt is placed on the tension control stand. Here's the belt mounted in the stand and getting ready for surface and inner cleaning. Here's a detail on the surface repair on the control tension. Rethreading damaged wires, positioning and replacement. After cleaning the belt from polymer drips, internal drips, a detection of damaged wire takes place to remove them and replace them. These wires are replaced carefully using the same exact caliber. Detailed wire replacement also takes place without affecting its original width and properties. And here's a detail. The final rethreading takes place, leaving intact the original weave on the web, as well as their permeability. Resizing belts, length and width-wise. M2M service can adjust your repair belt to be reused on a shorter length or a narrow width, enabling it to be used in other lines. A careful reseaming takes place, machine direction and cross direction to ensure its successful use in other lines. Repair and severe belt damages. Here's an example of Rackfill 4 damaged belt where two major cuts next to each other were caused by a knife. Threads are missing and a sizable hole in the surface can be perceived. Here's the sound of the defect. The belt is planted on a control tension stand, and you can see the position of the defect in the belt. Step 1. Rethread the large hole, machine, and cross direction. Here's a placing of the wires and filaments to start the correction of the belt. This is a detail of 50% correction on the surface. These are more details at 75% of the correction. And here the surface has been completely repaired, weave and SCFM completely intact. Second step, correcting the remaining knife cut. Here is a detail of the cut with the knife on the conveyor belt. The following is the placement of the wires to begin the correction and repair to its original weave. And here's the final appearance of the belt, ready to be used, with the correct weave and SCFM all intact. M2M Advanced Belt Repair would like to meet with you and your organization to present the projected annual savings and service model that will be better suited to meet your operating needs. Thanks.